Oh, hello. It's just a quick update video on this HMV, His Master's Voice 475 radio. Well, you know how I said I wasn't going to do any cabinet work? I've stripped back the old coating on it, which I think was just varnish, scraped it all off, redone the speaker grill. Looks quite nice now. I'm getting a guy to redo the scale. I've sent him in the old one. I was gonna the guy Joe Renault, he also restores radios. I think he gets his dials done by the same guy. I think it's I have to find out his email address, but I'll be getting him to make a reproduction of the scale. Now, once I get some money, I will order in some more pilot lamps, dial lamps, because one of the lamps has gone gassy and it's blown. Yeah, this one's still okay, but it's just a bit dark, so I'm going to get some more 6.3 volt lamps. At the moment I've got 12 volt lamps in there, and they're a bit dim. That's all that JCar had at that time. At the moment it's just sitting, the chassis is just sitting in there. I haven't screwed it down, but so I just have to take the knobs off and just slide it back out again. The guy I'm getting to do my dial is the radiola guy. He's got a website, radiolaguy.com. It's radiolaguy.com. I sent him a couple of emails. I sent him some measurements and the old dial, and I think he's going to be reproducing the dial for this thing, the scale for this thing, and it should look a bit better than the old dial that was on it. So, of course, once I get the lamps, I'll have to order in some lamps. Another thing I've done is I've aligned the set. I've got myself a signal generator. That can do from 100 kilocycles to about 100 meg. It has a tone generator in it. I realigned the tuning on it, and I think on the oscilloscope the 1 megahertz was quite accurate actually. So I just tuned the radio to whereabouts 1 megahertz was meant to be, and tuned this into 1 megahertz, and readjusted the IF cans and the main tuning cap. So the radio is aligned quite well now, as well as looking quite handsome with a restained cabinet and new paint on the grill. Now this grill's just wood, so it's just wooden dowel cut in half, I think, just painted. So I just had to sand it back, and I got some gold spray paint, and we had some wood stain because it was plywood. Considering it's only plywood, it looks quite good. bit of crap that got into there, I think, but considering what it looked like before was complete and utter garbage, it actually came out quite nicely. There's the top.